This is my 25-ton Chicago brake press. It's 5 foot from here end to end, and I believe inside the centers is 4.5 foot. So right now, I've got it up with these dies from here to here is about 9 inches, but you still got travel there that you can go down. So you just adjust this side here and it'll bring, it adjusts both sides at once and brings the whole table down. So depending on what dies you use, you can get a pretty big piece inside of there. It has this mounted work table here, which is great. I've converted it over to a pneumatic foot pedal with a cylinder, which is awesome because if you got bigger pieces, you can pull this way out here and hold your big piece back here and step on it. The other way it had that bar in there, and if you had a big piece way out here, you couldn't really get your foot in there and work it very well. It's in great shape. It's running right now. It's not loud or clanky. Everything's been greased, maintained. It's in great condition. It's really hard to break these, so it's just in really good condition. So I'll show you the pneumatic foot pedal. You can push on it just a little bit if you want and get it to go in increments, which is great, or you can just hold it and it'll run. So you can stop it anywhere in the stroke if you want, like right there. And then you can just come down slowly if you want by just tapping on the pedal. Just hit it, hold it, and watch it. So you can do that anywhere in a stroke that you want. So that's about it for this one. It's a really great machine. Don't hesitate to buy it if you need a brake press. My name is Randy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My number is 502-999-2620. Thanks for looking.